my name is Veronica Alfonso. I'll be presenting California's official. So let's get started. The first official I'll be talking about is Dianne Feinstein. She has served as a senator since 1992, and she is a Democrat. She served as the mayor of San Francisco from 1978 to 1988. She supports the breast cancer stamp, which she helped create in 1998. She helped create the nationwide Amber Alert network, and she continues to advocate for common sense gun laws. To my right, you will see Kamala Harris, Democrat. She is the first African American elected as a senator in January of 2017. She previously was the Attorney General of California. She passed Homeowners' Bill of Rights, defended California landmark climate change law, and helped win marriage's equality for all Californians. Next, I live in the 41 Congressional District, and my representative is Mark Takano, and he is a Democratic. He has served on the Riverside Community College Board of Trustees since 1990. Takano became the first openly member of the LGBTQ community to be elected to Congress. He graduated from Harvard University with a BA in government in 1983. Mark Takano will never stop fighting to protect Medicare and Social Security. He is improving our economy by bringing good-paying jobs to the Inland Empire, defending veterans by ensuring they receive the benefits they have earned. Next is the state senator, and is Richard Dale Roth. Assumed office in December of 2012. He is a Democratic. He represents the 31 Senate District, which includes the following cities: Corona, Eastvale, Harupa Valley, Moreno Valley, Norco, Paris, and Riverside. He lives in Riverside. Richard served as a Mayor General in the Air Force and at the same time was practicing law. My state assembly member is Jose Medina. Was the first elected to California State Assembly in 2012. He represents District 61, which consists of Riverside, Moreno Valley, Paris, and Mid Valley. He was a teacher with the Riverside Unified School District. He has a BA in Latin American Studies with UCR, and also has a master's in history. Medina passed legislation which assisted small businesses and help protect seniors. He currently resides in Riverside with his wife. Medina recognizes the critical role of higher education. County of Riverside Board of Supervisors. There are 5 districts. First is Ken Jeffries, 1st District, John Tavaloni, 2nd District, Chuck Washington, 3rd District, Manuel Perez, 4th District, Marion Ashley, 5th District. Finally, the last slide is City of Riverside Council members: Mike Garner, Andy Melendrez, Mike Soboro, excuse the pronunciation of the last name, Chuck Conder, Chris Mark Arthur, Jerry Perry, Steve Adams. Thank you very much.